Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to discover helpful features in Google Maps. Did you know that this app has so many hidden gems and amazing features waiting to be discovered? In this video, we'll show you how to unlock the full potential of Google Maps and make the most of your navigation experience. From finding your favorite restaurants to navigating through unknown territories, get ready to become a Google Maps master with us. Let's see the steps. Open your web browser. Open the Google Maps app. Click on the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your email and click on the Next button. Enter your password and click on the Next button. If the two-step verification is on, then click on an option to get the code. Enter the verification code and click on the Next button. Explore the map and zoom in on your current location or any location you want to explore. Look for icons on the map such as restaurants, gas stations, and ATMs. These indicate places of interest in the area. Click on any of the icons to see more information about the place, including its name, rating, and hours of operation. Use the search bar to find specific places, such as restaurants or tourist attractions, or to find directions to a specific location. Click on the Directions button of your searched location. Enter your location in the top search bar, which provides clear and precise directions while driving to make sure you never miss a turn. Click on the Save button to keep track of places you want to remember or visit later. By discovering these helpful features in Google Maps, you can make the most of this amazing app and enjoy an effortless and convenient navigation experience. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.